Hello guys, do you have too many email every day? Are you spending a lot of time organizing your inbox, writing meeting note and preparing follow up on the emails? Stop being your own assistant now. It's on the AI assistant era. We are going to talking about the super intern that run your email meeting and it will also schedule on the social media posting too. How does this work and how you can now go for your tour without any worry? Yes, your rest of work will be handled through AI assistance. Yes, this is a day with super intern you will enjoy. Today I will show you how it works on different social media links, 1000 plus integration with successful. And here, do you want to hire your assistants now? You can easily get the link in video description I have given, and you can also get the flexibility in their plan to customize, and as well as on the base of credit you can easily choose what is your plan to get your assistance, and then you can also explore the detail about it. Is end-to-end encryption, it means security on the top and transparency too. Delete anytime, even hosted on the Google Cloud platform. This is a big achievement actually. Even there, if we go for certification, then there is also soak to type certified, it's also achievement. Now you can check out what are the supported platform, like it can manage successfully. Here Telegram, WeChat, Discord. You can also get Slack active beta, and iMessage line is also coming soon. You can also meet with the team, like there is Google, Meta, and DeepMind as the backend supporter. Even there are many people who already used it, and there are also the details about them. What are the thought? You can easily check out. Even next, you can also check back to by top VCs as Samsung Next. There is Open Space and there is Dispersion Capital. If you have any doubt, do you want to read some question? Then here is super intern like Chat GPT? No, it is completely unique concept. That is your AI assistant, not just to handle your email, their multi-social platform. And now there is also let super intern handle out your email meetings and their task and contact. So now we are going to get started. First of all, we need to sign up. For this sign up, we can use our Google account, as well as there is also Outlook, and we can use Discord account to continue. But if you have already account, you can put your email address as well as strong password as 68 digit while you creating account you have used it. Once you create the account, you will come to this option super intern. And how what bring to you super intern today, because I want to manage my emails as well as writing post on social media. You can easily give the task on it. Next we are going to click on the continue. Put the name. What is your name? Like I am going to put here my name is Rocky. So here I want to give it name, and there we can select one icon as name of my assistant I am going to providing it. Now we can connect our Google Calendar, connect our Outlook calendar, because according to this we can easily schedule. We are going to click on it. I am going to connect my email here, and here I am going to connect my first of all Google Calendar. First it is done, we are going to click on the continue. There is let me take a look, and here it has checked our calendar. Now there is super intern board that is going to work. So if you have any message, you can continue, and there is also connecting our Gmail. There is also Notion and our other social media links. If you want to connect, you can go ahead. I am going to giving consent to connect my account here. Yes, I am going to click on it so I can also manage. Once it will be connected, you can also check further details about their Twitter, LinkedIn. You can easily join, and you can connect your social media to manage it. Next, I am also going to show you here, connect the Telegram. You have also another option. I will also use the web version, and there is also a refer code. You can also use that. I will provide in video description, and here you can also choose your monthly plan as well. And next, you can also continue for 3 month yearly. It is also possible to check out all the data, as I have now my credit for 5300 credit, and here is also all the items that I can easily check out as attention. If you want to check out your email that is being processed, and here is also all this section, like you can easily check out their action item. There is also a meeting that you want to arrange, you can easily install it. Like here is also the details. If you want to check, here is next reminder details. What are the reminders that will be given? according to your social media. Even there your email also given details. And now if you want to make any schedule on it, it is also possible to check out daily report. So everything is here. Next, what we have to do, there is also chat my day. If you want to start any chat with this bot, delegate your busy work with super intern, you can tell it in a simple way. Here I have written I need also a document, and it will also work fast. So here I'm going to clicking on the send option. It is going to thinking thoughts and it will give us our final result. So here you can now check out process has been processed. Guys, you can check out our result is ready. Here you can also download this document as well. And here are some tips too, because this is also going to present as we have told it. In this way, you can also chat with them to create document that can be sent to your next company or any person. There we can also make reports. We can also schedule it. There is also the time if you want to make it, then it is also possible to go for trend. There is also what we have make it, and we can also select the team diet too. Next is about the scheduled tasks. There are all the schedule that are also have been given. So if you want to add, then here is also the box that I am also going to show you. Like you can check, this is also about new task. If you want to create, then you can click on it. Here you have to put the right like name of that task. I am going to put task manager. Like we want to send email to manager. There is super intern the skills, there is official and many other detail, but I am going to using it super intern. Action prompt, we can easily give what it can be, like what the action should be done. Here is the action what it should done, and here is also the time we can select, like it should be sent on the one day, like one date, and the month should also in the July. Time should also be selected here. According to that, it will send automatically. We are going to click on the done and it will be create a new task, and this is the task that has been created for the next time. Even next, you can also check there is also meeting schedule. We can also like ready our this super intern for our meeting as upcoming. There is also invitation link. We have to provide it that, and it will also schedule and it will also give us notification about it. If you want to check out further skills have been given, you can easily understand. And now it's your time that you are going to start and use this as AI assistant and upgrade your account. If you want to know further information, then come on the official Twitter where you can also check their VN behind the team that are really impressive working. There is good progress in their official community that is going to expand on daily basis. So I hope you understand everything that how super intern can be your next AI assistant that will also manage your emails, scheduling, meeting, and many other function. So enjoy it. Link in video description. Check now.